hours later. A few moments later.
Yehey! We are almost. Nakikita nyo ba yung island na yan? Yes, dyan po tayo pupunta. That is Sibali. And that is my hometown.
2 hours later.
Hi. The long wait is over. So, hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina. Kasi nalobat ako. Hindi ko na na-video yung pagdating namin dito sa isla. So, nakarating kami dito sa isla ng mga 12 noon. So, after that, kumain kami. Then, nag-rest na rin. Okay, so siguro mga nagising kami mga 3:30 na rin. So ngayon, alas 5 na. Ayan. Ini-enjoy ko na ang paligid. Kita nyo? So, yan naman talaga ang pinunta namin dito eh. Yung ma-feel mo yung province life. Nakakamiss din kasi. Ayan no. Diba yung tabing dagat, yung paupo-upo ka lang sa tabing dagat, nagmumuni-muni, so walang katumbas. Nasaya ang ganun. Lalo na pag ikaw ay talagang lumaki sa probinsya, mamimiss mo talaga yung mga ganito. O, yung pagbo-boating mo, paliligo mo sa dagat. My God, nakakamiss. So, hindi pa kami naliligo kasi syempre kadarating lang namin kanina. Then, nagpahinga. So, baka bukas na lang. As of now, enjoyin muna natin yung paligid. So, ayan. Welcome to my birthplace. This is my birthplace. Okay? Barangay Masudsod, Concepcion, Romblon. Okay. Itong place na to, ito yung Sapampalay. So, dito talaga umiikot yung childhood ko. Yun, yung portion na yun, ang tawag namin doon is Kayudo. Okay, nandun yung mga tindahan. Nung bata ako, doon kami nanonood ng TV. Wala naman kasi kami yung TV noon. Napakaganda ng dagat. So peaceful. Hay nga pala sa asawa ko na hindi sumama sa amin dito. Namiss kita agad.
Halika, baka anuhin ka, baby. Kumakain, halika na. Nahihiya sila. Halika na, baby. Ay, wag, baby. Hala, tatakbo yan sa'yo. papagalitan ka ni Lola Lucy. Upo ka lang. Yung goat.
Campers burning, campers burning, go near, go near, in the glowing, please come and be merry. Loto. Kaya alam nyo guys, nung bata ako, dito kami pumupunta lagi para lang maghanap ng bayabas. So, napakasukal nito sa totoo lang. Kaya lang bakit parang konti na lang yung mga bayabas ngayon. So, maliliit pa yung bunga. Kaya, wala na tayo nakuha. So, bumaba na lang tayo. Sige, maghanap tayo kung may bunga yung mangga. So, bumaba na lang tayo. Tapos, kukuha na lang tayo ng dalandan dun sa tita ko. Kumuha ka na ng dalandan. So, ma-open mo yan. So, kukuha tayo ng dalandan dito sa tita ko. Pinsan ng papa ko. Guys, ang dami nilang dalandan. So, yung mga dalandan niya, no? Kaya lang medyo mura pa. Hindi tuloy ako makakuha. So, yan naman. Kalamansi. Kalamansi ang mga yan. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa may signal. Sa yung seashore na yan, doon kami nakatira. Actually, doon kami tumutuloy ngayon sa bahay ng kapatid ko. So, nandito kami sa bundok. Siyempre, para maghanap ng signal. Dito lang kasi ang may signal eh. Pero dun sa amin, sabi nila may signal, pero pa one bar lang. Tapos, paputol-putol. Dito is full bar. Globe, TM, walang problema. So, yan, medyo cliff. So, yan, bahay yan ng pinsan ko, nasa baba. Okay, yung isla na nakikita nyo, yan yung Mindoro. Diyan kami nang galing kahapon. Okay. So, balik tayo, papunta tayo sa bundok. Puntahan natin sila. Tignan mo, yun yung mga friends ko. Kanya-kanyang kuha ng angulo para sa picture taking. Kasi, the more na mataas, the more na medyo kitang-kita mo pa yung view. Okay, loko. Sige, kuha. Hindi na siguro view ang kinukuha nila. Pati rin signal. Okay. Yung mga baon na yan yung ginagawa naming uling. Nanibago na lang ako sa Maynila, bakit kahoy? No? Kami ngayon galing kaming cell site. So, ayan. Tingnan mo sila. Selfie, ganyan. So, mabundak po talaga dito sa amin. Sobrang hirap. Rumarampa nga sila eh. Tingnan mo, hindi ko alam kung bakit rumarampa sila na. Ha? So, rumarampa sila, oh. Hindi ko nga alam, oh. Pero nagrereklamo sila kasi ayaw na nilang dumaan dito sa mababa na to. Gusto daw nila sa magandang daanan sila dadaan, eh. Ha?
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe daw kayo sa channel niya, Jesus Saga. Please, please, please. Hindi ka naman nag-video, Bias, eh. Ayan, pababa na po kami. Akin na ako magdala ng ano. Yung lahat nalaglag? Yung isa lang? Pakihamak na lang yung isa. Ito hindi nalaglag.
Hindi.
Okay. Aamoy-amoyin ko kasi ito pag ano kasi sinisipon talaga ako eh. Dito ako naliligo pag papasok ako sa school. Ito papunta tong bundok na sinasabi ko. Ito papunta sa sinasabi mo kanina kung ano yan yung bundok doon. Oo, kalsada. Oo. Ito naman papunta dun sa aming hacienda. Ay, pakipulot.
Alam ka?
Oh, mag-clean up ah. Yeah. Diyan tayo naliligo. Ayaw niyo.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?